Hello everybody and welcome to this tips and tricks video. My name is Dan Lopez and I'm the Tekla PowerFab application specialist. Today's video is going to be about a functionality that it's been in Tekla EPM for quite a while, but I've been finding out that some of the users are not really aware of this. So if this is your case, you are going to really enjoy this one because this is a very helpful tool for different areas in your company. Similar to the global edit functionality, where you can use it pretty much from every module in the system. This is also across the different modules. And this tool is called global filters. Now, let me just restore here my production control job. Global filters are an easy way to avoid finding yourself always filtering in the same manner. You know, like if you always filter the same type of materials for cut to size, or always filter out the bolts for your combining runs, those are two good examples that the global filters can help you with. So let's see how they work. If I am about to run a combine, for example, I'll just go ahead and click in my mold. And when the filter screen opens, instead of going and filter my shapes out every single time, I can just go and select my global filter. In this case, no hardware, set this filter, and that automatically takes out the bolts and just include every steel item based on my preferences when I created this filter. And then I can run the molting process for this. And the second example that I was talking about, if you guys are buying cut to size plates, maybe from half inch and above, and if they have holes, right? You can put certain conditions together to create when you create your filters, and then I can just go here and say, I need to send this material to a requisition. Which material? I just go ahead and select this one, and then select my filter here for cut to length parameters, set this, and you can see that automatically takes my plates, the sizes that I want. And then if I just keep scrolling down, also the whole diameters that I need to actually buy from those guys cut to size. And I think also about these filters is you have to create them by module, but they are available pretty much for any area inside of that module. So for example, if I pull here my model interface for this job, and then I don't know, colorize by sequence real quick, just to show something real quick. This will show Trimble Connect, right, separated by sequences. But you see we have the set filters screen right here, so I can pull those filters and also use those global ones created by me in there. So I can filter all my critical steel, for example, and set that, and you will see that all the shapes and sizes and grades that I consider critical steel that I should pretty much start buying as right away as soon as I get the bill of materials, apply that filter, and then see that reflected in my project and see where is that is still gonna be used for. So a lot of different things that you can do with those global filters to prevent situations as well. Let me close this and show you how those global filters are created. There's not really a lot of science behind this. It's like you will create any other filter. It's just a matter of creating them inside of the module where they will be utilized. For example, under maintenance, if the global filter will be for combining, you can see that here we have the global filter types option. Same case with estimating. The option is right here. Um, for inventory and purchasing, that's the same global filter types of function. So you will create them under maintenance purchase order global filter types. Let me open the one for production control, which is the one where I already have a couple of those created and are the ones that I show you in the first portion of this video. So let me just open this screen, and you can see here that the filter for cut to size, critical steel, and no hardware. This is a place where I create them. So as I was saying, just like you will create any other filter, let me just click new and say I need to separate material for my coping machine, right? So I will just go ahead and say this is for the coping machine. Add this into my filters. This actually pulls the filter selection from the filter that you had selected before, but I can simply click reset and that just lets you start fresh. And then it's just a matter of what do you want to separate, right? So in this example, I'll just go ahead and say what I will be usually sending to a coping machine will be, for starters, channels and white flanges. Okay. And then I can go and say, based on the CNC information that I will be receiving from Tekla Structures, I can just separate material that actually has profile cuts and miter cuts if you do those on the same machine, right? So I'll separate those, save my filter, and that's it. This filter will be available in all your production control jobs. You will be able to filter all the material that has to go through a copying machine just by using this. All jobs or new jobs, it's available right away. No need to do anything else. So it's a very simple process, but it can be very helpful for these particular situations. I hope this video gives you a few ideas on how to improve your use of Tekla APM. And if you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact your help desk area. And as always, thank you for watching.